everyone, welcome to episode 35 of Learn With Me. Today our topic is the process of research and the 6 steps for research. So number 1 is going to be making a marketing research plan. I always talk about plan, roadmap, journey, because if we don't have those, we really don't know what to do when our lowest point or when we are the weakest. So when we have a journey or a plan or a roadmap, we know what to do. Even when our highest or our lowest times, we know what to do. It could be on research, it could be on anything basically in life. But as today we're talking about research, it is making a research plan. That's number 1. Number 2 is making a background thorough check on your information. Finding a background information is quite important since these days it's quite hard to actually find truthful information, whatever truthful means to you. But what you want to succeed, what is your goals for your research, really helps with background checks and background information. So that's number 2. Number 3 is analyze and report on findings. Reports on findings goes back to number 1. If you made the real process of a marketing research plan, you need to report to that plan and what you have done and what you need and what you want and what could be done better. So report findings and analyze your information, how they're coming and how can we take action on it. And that's going to number 4. Take action on your research. Take action on your research is just not doing research. It is when you find that information, that thing that you needed for your goal, for your vision, you take an action on it. It could be for your business, it could be for your personal brand. So that's at number 4. Number 5 is analyze and see what is your sources. So your sources is quite important. So you need to reflect through your sources and if your sources are quite valid or not. And if you see some types of things, some errors on your research, you always can go back to your developing market research in step number 1. So this is episode 35 of Learn With Me. This is the process of research and I'm going to be seeing you with next Friday.